Why cannot Bangladesh's Raju, like many other tinkerers, cannot succeed with the idea of imitating a state of the art technology product? Often, their creative outburst manifest in the form of integration of available technologies to demonstrate an imitation of an existing product. Like in case of the Raju, it was Lamborghini. In case of many others, there could be many different products like chopper, like flying boat, like electric vehicle. But history tells none of them has succeeded into a profitable business, creating quality jobs. But many others, or some others in advanced countries, started the journey more or less in a similar way and kept growing and succeeded in developing very large business, like Mr. Carl Benz started tinkering with technologies, building three-wheeler automobile, which has led to the creation of a large automobile industry. And his firm, Daimler Benz, is a globally known large multinational. One of the things is the technology core. Often these tinkerers integrate mature technologies. So those technologies are not amenable to growth to make their products better and cheaper. Second thing is that they cannot link their tinkering capacity with the science and engineering so that not only they can implement their idea in an effective and efficient manner, they cannot also start improving the underlying technologies and generating additional ideas and integrating them and keep redesigning the initial primitive product to get them gradually better and cheaper to produce. Third one is ecosystem issue. So as for example, they need some help from a precision manufacturing facility. They need some help of undertaking some research. Those building blocks are not present in most of the developing countries, or if they do present, they are not accessible to those tinkerers. As a result, ecosystem support is quite unavailable. Let's make the assumption that even those things are there, and if they start making something which are usable and which make inroad in the local market, but will it sustain? Answer would say highly likely no. The reason is that most of these countries do pursue technology import driven strategy. As a result, state of the art industrial products start penetrating their or keep penetrating their market. So their competitors would be able to gradually keep improving their product, making them better and cheaper alternative to the existing ones. But Mr. Raju, unlike them, would be very slow to respond to this opportunity of improving or evolving their ideas. As a result, even with the initial success, they would end up into a situation where they would not be able to continue their progress. Moreover, public policy or public procurement also play an important role. In order to make initial primitive product to get some market, government needs to be supported. But governments follow a very clear and clean purchasing policy that is proven world-class product. As a result, despite the creative outburst of Mr. Raju and many others in developing countries, hardly there is any example that those creative outbursts ended up into innovation or engineering or industrial success stories.